Delivering to a client and not disappointing on time agreed on depends on how I've always planned making my small chops. Stay tuned with me to know how I made the 60 packs for a customer. Hey, this is Bakers and you're welcome to my channel. So I got this order, and what I do is that I don't allow work overwhelm me. So I was made to deliver this small chops by Thursday. On Monday, I started planning ahead. I went to market. I got all my vegetables. I got my meat. I got all the ingredients that I needed for this small chops. Then when I came back, I washed the meat, put it in the freezer to freeze it. Then on Tuesday, I started cutting down my vegetables. I blended the meat for samosa and then started making the spring rolls and the samosas wrap. After making it, I made the filling and I wrapped it that same day. And after wrapping it, I had to freeze it in the freezer. Okay, I had to put it inside the freezer so that on Thursday I'll be able to use it. While I did it like this was because spring rolls are a little bit tough to do. It's not something that you just do quickly. It's something you take your time and make sure you actually do it very well. Okay, and the back of my samosa has always been the signature to my small chops. People like it somehow. You fry it, you pack it, and it will be crispy. Even the following day, it's still crispy. Even if you put it in the freezer while you fried it or the fridge, when you warm it up, it will still be crispy. So that's why I hand make all my samosa wraps. So I'll also suggest that you check the link on links to the videos that I'm going to put on my description. You check everything in the description of this video and watch how to make the samosa, how to make the peppered meat. I'm going to put everything in it. I'm just doing this video to show you how you should plan ahead. Okay, so that is why I went to market on Monday. Then on Tuesday it was not easy. I just got relocated from where I was before, so I had no shop now. I didn't even have people that were working with me, people that worked with me before. So it was only me that was going to do the 60 packs, and I would not want to disappoint the client when the time comes. So that was why I started going to market on Monday, started doing the samosa and the samosa wraps. Just try and check the description and know the approach. I couldn't have taught everything in this video. It's going to make it so long and boring. I just wanted you to follow me and see how I actually do my small chops for clients. Okay, so I normally hand each one. It takes me time, but it's worth it. Okay, it's worth it. If you also learn it, you can even freeze this for a long time, and when you're frying it, it doesn't scatter. Even if it stays for months, it will not. The wraps are always very, very strong. It doesn't tear and reliable. Okay, so you can also do this and pack in case you get orders. So Wednesday I brought out my frozen meat. Remember, I've washed it before, kept it in the freezer, so I brought it out with the pepper. I defrosted it and then I made my peppered meat. I usually do it a day before the other so that the pepper gets to enter very well inside the meat. So that's what I did and now kept it. So in the morning I mixed up because I was meant to deliver this to the client before 12. So I mixed my puff puff, which had to rise like 1 hour time. Then after rising, I started frying down. I mixed my puff puff around 8. Then by 9 it was okay, and I started frying. I heat up vegetable oil. I started frying. After frying the puff puff, I now fried the spring rolls. I fried it. When I fry, allow it to brown very well. People always like the browned one, golden color one, just like the one you're seeing on the video. I fried very well. As I was doing this, I was trying to check up on my time. Usually the frying takes me like 2 hours, so remember we're working with time. So after frying everything, I also fried my samosas. I've already warmed up my meat before I started frying. So after frying everything down, I started packing. The packing really took me a lot. I used this pouch this thing with my labels on it, of course, so that I'll get more customers again. You know, if people like it, they'll actually call the number here. So that was what I did, and I started packing. Okay, I usually pack 1 samosa, 1 spring rolls, and 3 puff puff with 1 peppered meat. That is what I usually put in each pouch. And this pouch, I think it's easier. People don't really want all these plates that's going to buy everywhere. They just want to give those people things hand by hand, and you know, they just take it home and all that. So that was that. It was neatly packed and kept. The packing actually took me time. Like I've said before, it took me really time to pack. So this was it. Okay, this was it. You know, when I was packing this, I think it was also very difficult. We were trying to get some videos that I'll use for my vlogging, so it was not really easy. So that's that. Thank you so much for your engagement. I really appreciate you very well. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.